guys, welcome here. Again, it's Nessie. We're in the quarantine. I decided to do a get ready with me to go only one place, to the pharmacy, to pick up my medicine, because we are still very much under the Rona. You know, it's real out here. So I decided to do, which I was already planning to do, but I now have all the time, as many of us do, to do the review on the FastFace by the LipBar. I got this actually around Christmas for their Black Friday sale, and I have used it. I will, it's not necessarily a review, but just what I not a review, just a usage per se. I can give you a review because I have used it. And what you hear, that little, if you hear it, it's a little squirting. It's from my primer, which is not a part of it. There is, I will show you everything that comes in the bag. For the full face, I'm just priming myself with a little bit of the milk primer. Why am I priming? I really don't need to, because we're going nowhere. We're going through a drive-through pharmacy window. Might go inside. I kind of want a cookie. So I gotta pick up my allergy medication. That's fun. But what I'm putting on is the Milk Hydro Grip. It's a sample. I like it. I have something else like it, so I'm not in a rush to buy any of it right now. This gives me hydration without me being greedy. Pop on a lip gloss from Gerard Cosmetics and Cocoa Bean. I know that's a blast from the past one. Moisture, because I forgot to put a little something on my lips. All right. Anywho, in this case, you basically, it is the Flawless, the FastFace foundation. It's a skin serum hydration foundation, and it comes up, you pump it. I cleaned this pump. You basically can't clean it too much. I washed it and I disinfected it like I have been doing my brushes, because again, your girl's got time. So this is supposed to have hyaluronic acid and Irish moss extract, and I got it in the color 4, let's see, you can see it, 4.3. No, it's still 403, like it said, like time. And you basically pick them out by, they have a foundation guide, so you can basically pick it out by whatever popular foundation you like. This is the same color as my Fenty. That was one of the options, or you can do it by MAC, but MAC has a hard time matching because they put a lot of us in, you know, NW45, NC50, etc., etc. Although I can make those match for me, it's not exactly dead on the money. So, but still. And it also comes with a Minute Finish face palette, which you get this is in the FQ4-S. You still pick it by your face, by your tone. Like it'll all be up when you go on the website. I'll insert what the page looks like if I can get a screenshot of it. Okay, so you got your blush, your finishing powder, you have your contour, and you have your highlighter. And in this particular one, the blush is called Bling Bling. The highlight is called So Icy. The contour is called Flossin', and the face powder is called Young Stunner. So it's that. You also get a dual-ended brush, good for angle and then pointed. Those are both good for the face powders. I do find myself using other brushes. You get a black mascara, Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara with green tea extract. It's pretty good. It stays on pretty much. But it's like most mascara, here's the thing. I don't love waterproof mascara. I find it kind of hard to get off, and it makes my lashes kind of sticky, and I only really wear it if I'm going to go like swimming, if I'm going to a funeral or something like that. But for the most part, I'm not doing that much with my eyes, and I feel like my eyes are sensitive, especially right now because it's, you know, allergy season, so they get a little watery and a little itchy sometimes, but my mascara in general stays on, so yeah, there's that on that. Okay, you also get a quick draw 2-in-1 highbrow pencil. So on one end, and this is the lighter one, but I still think it is too dark. So I always have my pencil in this bag. So you get a little gel brush. You see that it's brown. Let me get it up a little closer, focus. Yeah, and I'll just see it's brown. I don't know if you'll be able, I put it on my palm, but you won't be able to see that on my and you got a little, it's the same shape as this let's see, not the goof, not on the same shape as the Goof Proof to me. So that's the other one. So both brown, but they're both, it's a little darker than I like. I had to go down even in that. And you get a lip, you didn't have the option of a gloss. I would have liked the gloss actually, but you get a option of a liquid lipstick. I like this one. I just don't feel like putting that on today. So yeah, let's get into it. It usually, they say it's about 7 minutes to do your face. So yeah, but this will probably take longer because I'm talking to you guys or anything like that. Okay. And I will try to use all of those, but I actually take extra steps. That's like I have oily combination skin, and even though this is a nice foundation for a good everyday, especially if you don't have, it doesn't make me feel greasy, but it doesn't make you feel dry either. So that's the good thing about this one. So I set this with a powder and I spray with a setting spray. So we're gonna use the Morphe matte continuous spray. I like it a lot. I need to get another one to actually put on my clients when I do their faces. All right, so let's just do a click. You see it comes out like that. Is I do my makeup in this one in sections, because you do have this brush, and even though you can clean it, I find that since it comes out the center, it can get a little streaky and kind of clog with product. So that's that. You still get pretty good coverage. It's looking a little red. On the cheeks. So there's not a concealer either, but the idea of this is supposed to be like you can do your whole face and be out the door in like 7 minutes. Which clearly this is going to be more than 7 because I'm talking to you guys. Clearly not full coverage, which you don't need every day, in my opinion. It's a medium coverage, which cool. A medium coverage is all you need for your everyday. Yeah, if you're not trying to be like beat down all the time. Okay, take it to the neck. Trying to blend it out so it doesn't appear so streaky. Like it's a good brush on here too. It's just that is the downfall of having the foundation come out of the brush, is that it can be a bit streaky. And I just cleaned this brush, but since the foundation comes out the center, it's never gonna truly be completely free of foundation. So good coverage overall. It looks like skin. It's not one of those dry, like I said, it's not dry, it's not oily. So what I would do next is I'm taking another brush and I am going to actually set my face with the face powder. This is convenient as far as the pans go. This is a good finishing powder as far as getting your face to look even just all over the face. So there's that. Okay. So after that, even though I'm going to keep this, I actually need to keep this with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit of contour at the bottom down here. That's the contour. Okay. And flossing again. And how I do mine. I have preferred cream to powder. So, to be honest, I reach for my Fenty matchsticks more than I reach for this. Like, this would be good to set it though. Cause like, see, it's hard to blend out. If you don't like the way something looks, take your face powder and kind of buff it out. So there actually, to me, there should have been another brush in this set. But that is me, that is a makeup Nisa. If you're not doing that all the time, I could see it. And then I'm going to take the blush in Bling Bling, set pink up top. Is this my favorite blush? No, but it's pretty. And it is pigmented. And I have been on my kind of orangey blushes as of late. That's more than I like. Like if you do too much over here, which that's not too much actually, but you can blend it out. You always keep your powder brush with you, because powder gets, to me, gets a little out of hand. Yeah. And I always keep a shadow brush, because this is not part of you doing it, but like, if you don't feel like doing makeup for real, contour your eyes. Just contour your eyes with your contour powder or your bronzer. Ooh, if this was a bronzer, I probably would like a little bit better. I've been more into bronzing than contouring, but you're just giving shape to your eyes. It comes with an eyeliner too. I forgot to say that. I think I pulled it out. It comes with a straight out of Patience. It's smudge proof. It's a good eyeliner. Yeah, so I use it, but it's black, so it's a black eyeliner. So, and I love this little thing. This is a crown brush. And I'm just getting my waterline like that. And then I'm going to take, actually, I'm going to dip it into this the highlighter. And saucy, so icy. Where I get saucy from? And I'm just gonna do that in the center. To the inner corner. Mostly in the center. Let's not make a big fuss out of it. Your finger also works. And I don't necessarily want a highlighter on. And see, like, that's what I'm saying. You need another brush, but you can always do your highlighter with your fingers, which is what I'm doing. I'm not putting this all over my face, just kind of the center. And like, if you don't have that much time in the morning, which most of us don't, or you know, it's not that you don't have time, but who is trying to get, well, you got time right now, but who is trying to get up at the crack of dawn with the roosters and the crows and put on all that makeup? I know some people do. Move on to these brows. I will say, I kind of actually wish that this brow gel was clear. It is a very brown, and I'm not the best when it comes to my eyebrows. They look okay right now. I think I still have some left over. Well, what I'm going to do, because this is a clean spoolie on this one, I'm going to take it. This is my goof proof. So, the only thing, yeah, like, this set needs just a couple of brushes. So if you have like a spoolie, clean, just a spoolie brush, that would be great too. So you could always, this is brown. Like I said, my brows ain't the best. Even brows, I do like to extend the end. A mess. I don't I don't love my brows. It's not blessed with the naturally thickums. And they're you know, they're like, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. I think these fools cousins, because I feel like they are not. Right, so I like this one from Benefit, Precisely My Brow, and Brow Wiz, because this has a thin brow and you can make like little hair strokes to the front. But that is it on that. Yeah, so that is the whole face. And just to get it going, I'm not doing anything else. I got other powder to like finish it and all that kind of stuff. We're not doing that. We're just gonna set it because this is what I would normally do. Woo, feels good. Have y'all smelled this new morphine? Let me get underneath my chin. Okay. This new, I love the way this mist out. That is the best part of it. I'm glad they came out with this one. I have the other one that I really like too, the original one, but it doesn't do anything for you if you are a greaser, but it does help you not look powdery. So it really looks like skin, as you can see. And it's drying down, still give you a nice look. Okay, so this is long. We'll be doing some speeding up, but basically if you're doing this by yourself, it's not gonna take you 20 minutes, even though this video is, but remember I took extra steps. It's gonna take you like 15. So there will be time lapses and all that kind of stuff in this. Yeah, and so the next video you'll probably see is me actually reviewing something, not of masking and bemoaning, but I'll get unready with me probably to take this off and talk about something, because I actually filmed a review of On My Block 3 and it died. Okay, so it was not right. My camera and stuff were all glitchy. All right, thanks for tuning in. See you guys later. See what else you guys are doing with that Rona. Do you guys have this fast face? I would recommend it if you do want to wear makeup, but don't feel like doing all that. It is quick. Obviously it's quicker. You're not talking to anybody, not on camera. If you do it just straight up with what it comes with, you can do your whole face. I'm not putting on mascara. I'm not doing all that today. Okay, so, and I didn't use lipstick. I have the lip gloss. It looks good with this gloss. I like it. All right, so yeah, I'll be back with you guys shortly. Hopefully you guys like this. If you got any questions, also, you know, they don't sell this kit in Target yet. They are, the LipBar is in Target. They are black owned. They are famously got turned down by Shark Tank, so if you remember them, but you can find this online on their website. And right now I think that their collaboration with Justine Skye is 40% off. So yeah, check that out. Sorry for rambling. Thanks for tuning in, and remember that Nessie loves you. Bye.